Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says a metal X on heating in nitrogen gives Y. Y on treatment with water forms a colorless gas which when passed through copper sulfate solution gives blue color. Y is the options are magnesium nitrate, magnesium nitride, ammonia or magnesium oxide. तो इन सीरीज ऑफ रिएक्शन की हेल्प से हमें वो कंपाउंड फाइंड आउट करना है which is formed when metal X reacts with nitrogen. So the key concept is qualitative reactions. The set of reactions which are performed for identification of compounds. सबसे पहले हम एक लेआउट और फ्लो चार्ट प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं with the given information of in the question. तो क्वेश्चन में ये बोल रहे हैं that a metal X reacts with or on heating with nitrogen N2 gives a compound Y. Right? This Y on treatment with water forms a colorless gas. और इस कलरलेस गैस को जब हम कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन से पास करेंगे then blue color will be obtained or observed. और जिससे हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है that is Y. We have to identify the compound Y. तो अब इसके बेसिस पे हम ये रिएक्शन सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. अगर हम रिकॉल करें तो we will know that the colorless gas which forms or give blue color with copper sulfate solution is ammonia. Okay, तो अमोनिया वो गैस है कलरलेस गैस जो ब्लू कलर प्रोड्यूस करती है कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स and ammonia gas can be obtained by the reaction of nitrides with water. Okay, so ammonia is the colorless gas which is produced when Y is treated with water. Okay, अब क्वेश्चन में ये कह रहे हैं that Y on treatment with water forms a colorless gas. और इन ऑप्शंस में से one of it is Y. तो हम इन ऑप्शंस का ट्रीटमेंट करवाते हैं with water. Starting with the first option that is magnesium nitrate. So when magnesium nitrate is treated with water, it forms magnesium hydroxide MgOH2 plus HNO3 nitric acid. तो यहाँ अमोनिया गैस इवॉल्व नहीं हो रही है तो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज magnesium nitride Mg3N2. When this reacts with water, it produces MgOH2 plus ammonia. Okay, तो magnesium nitride on treatment with water evolves ammonia gas. तो This is the correct option. थर्ड ऑप्शन को भी देख लेते हैं, which is MgO with treatment with water produces magnesium hydroxide. तो ये भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो जो कंपाउंड वाटर के साथ अमोनिया रिलीज कर रहा है दैट इज मैग्नीशियम नाइट्राइड. अब हम रिएक्शंस देख लेते हैं. अ मेटल X must be magnesium which on heating with nitrogen gives Mg3N2 magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride Mg3N2 when treated with water forms magnesium hydroxide MgOH2 plus ammonia gas. Ammonia has a characteristic pungent smell. It is colorless लेकिन अपनी pungent smell से बहुत आसानी से identify हो जाती है. अब when this colorless gas is passed through copper sulfate solution, blue color is formed which is of complex NH3 SO4. Blue color is obtained because of this complex. With the help of series of reactions, we have found out that metal X on treating with nitrogen gives magnesium nitride, and this is Y. Okay. So the compound Y is magnesium nitride, option number 2. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.